Good morning, students. Welcome back to plus two second year English. The name of the story is The Doctor's Ward, written by R.K. Narayan. Now let's begin. Yesterday we left some word dealings of the prose or the paragraphs we have already gone through, and those words are like wailing. Wailing means in Oriya chitkaro, that is cry. Implore. Implore अनुनय विनय करी कहवा or requested. अनुरोध करिबा. Beacon. Call someone by or call somebody by a movement of the hand. ହାତ ହଲେଇ କାହାକୁ ଡାକିବା. Bewilderment, that is confusion, vibranti kar. So now let's move to think it out. Question answer discussion. The first question is, what was Dr. Raman's reaction? Reaction means pratikriya. When his assistant said, "Sir, he will pull through." When his assistant said, "Sir, he will pull through," the doctor said coldly, धीरे कहले, "Don't trust it. It is only a false flash of very common in these cases. If the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning, it will go on for the next 40 years, but I doubt it." Next question. What was Dr. Raman's response when Gopal's wife asked about his condition? When Gopal's wife asked about Gopal's condition, the doctor said, "Don't get excited. I would rather not talk to you now." This was Dr. Raman's response to Gopal's wife's question. Now, Unit 5, warm up. Does a doctor, what did I say? Does a doctor ever let a patient know how serious his condition is? କେବେ ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ଅବସ୍ଥା, ସିରିୟସ୍ ଅବସ୍ଥା କେମିତି ଅଛି ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଜଣାନ୍ତି କି? କେବେ ଜଣାନ୍ତି କି? ଅର୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍, ଡଜ୍ ଏ ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଭେନ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ଏ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ନୋ, ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତି କି ହାଉ ସିରିୟସ୍ ହିଜ୍ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍, ତାର କଣ୍ଡିସନଟା କେତେ ସଙ୍କଟାପନ୍ନ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତି କି? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍. Next question, was not Dr. Raman fear for his frankness? ତାଙ୍କର ଖୋଲାଖୋଲି କଥା ଯୋଗୁଁ ସିଏ ଡରୁ ନଥିଲେ କି? ଡକ୍ଟର ରମନ ଭୟଭୀତ ନଥିଲେ କି? Next question, what did he do in case of his friend Gopal? ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? What did he do means ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? Read the following unit of the text for your answers. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Yes, this is the text. Yes, this is the text. Just 1 minute. Yes. When the doctor resumed his seat, again the doctor went back. That means the doctor went back to his seat. The patient asked in a faintest whisper possible. Could you understand what happened? When the doctor went back to his seat, the patient asked in a very faintest tone, whisper, अति धीरे स्वरे पचाला, who asked? The patient asked in a very low tone, faintest whisper. Could you understand? The question is that someone crying? The patient asked in a very low voice, is that someone crying? किए जने कांदुछि कि? The doctor advised, उपदेश देले. Who advised? The doctor advised. Whom? To the patient. Don't exert yourself. तमे exert means pressure पकेइबा, चाप सृष्टि करिया, शक्ति खटेइबा. अरे डोंट एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ, तुम ऊपर चाप पकाओनी. यू आर नॉट इन गुड कंडीशन एंड इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर टू एक्सेप्ट प्रेशर ऑन यू. जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड टेक रेस्ट. यू मस्ट नॉट टॉक. योर कंडीशन इज सच दैट यू मस्ट नॉट टॉक. तमें कथा उचित नुह. हु सेड होम? Dr. Raman said to his friend Gopal, advised him not to talk because Gopal's condition was not good at that time. He felt the pulse. The doctor felt the pulse. The doctor felt whose pulse? The doctor felt the patient. I mean Gopal's pulse. गोपाल नाड़ी देखिले. It was already agitated by the exertion. The pulse was agitated, little आंदोलित by the exertion. से जो प्रेशर रे तांगर नाड़ीटा टिके एपट सेपट हो जाउची. Agitated. What is agitated? The pulse rate of Gopal is agitated because of exertion. Because of pressure. The patient asked, again the patient asked, am I going? Am I going to die? This is the intention of the patient. And asking the doctor, am I going to die? Don't hide it from me. Hide means lucheva. Don't hide it from me. Motte tame luchaone. Just tell me frankly, am I going to die? Marjibi na? Who said it? Who asked it? The patient asked to Dr. Raman. That means Gopal asked to Dr. Raman. The doctor made a deprecating noise. Who made? The doctor made a deprecating noise. Could you understand? बारण सूचक like this. He made a don't talk like this. That means the doctor gestured. हाथ लेगिरी पाटे कहले don't talk, don't open your mouth, just shut up. Deprecating noise and sat back in his chair. Could you understand? He had never faced a situation like this. एमितिका परिस्थिति से केवे एमितिका परिस्थितिर से केवे सम्मुखीन होई नथिले. Who had not faced? The doctor had not faced a situation like this. It was not in his nature to White House, and it was not his nature to White House to hide anything. किसी कथा लुचेवा तांगर प्रकृति नथिला. He was free and frank. He told everything frankly. But here Dr. Raman was in great trouble. He could not and they said to speak the truth or to hide. Could understand? A great difficult situation he was in. People attached a great value to his word. Dr. Ramana was such a person that people, patient, even people attached a great value to his words. ତାଙ୍କ କଥାକୁ ବହୁତ ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଦେଉଥିଲେ, ବହୁତ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଉଥିଲେ, ବିକଜ ଅଫ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍, ବିକଜ ଅଫ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଫ୍ରେଙ୍କନେସ୍। ହି ଷ୍ଟୋଲ୍ ଏ ଲୁକ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦି ଅଦର। ଗୋଟେ ଚୋରା ଚାହାଣୀ ନେଲେ, କଣେଇକିରି ଅନେଇଲେ। ଦି ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ମୋସନ୍ଡ ଏ ଫିଙ୍ଗର ଟୁ ଡ୍ରା ହିମ୍ ନିୟରର ଏଣ୍ଡ ଭିସିୟର। ଦ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ମୋସନ୍ଡ ଫିଙ୍ଗର, ଗୋଟେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଚଳେଇଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଖକୁ ଡାକିଲେ। କାହାକୁ? ହୁ ଆସ୍କଡ ହୋମ୍? ଦ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍କଡ ଡକ୍ଟର ରମନ ନିୟର ଟୁ ହିମ୍ by moving his finger, one of his fingers. I must know how long I am going to last. The patient said, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ କେତେ ସମୟ ବଞ୍ଚିବି ସେ କଥା I know, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି। I must sign the will, ମୋତେ ଇଚ୍ଛାପତ୍ର ସ୍ୱାକ୍ଷର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। It is already ମାନେ ସବୁ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରାଯାଇଛି। ଏଭ୍ରିଥିଙ୍ଗ ଇଜ୍ ରେଡ଼ି। ଆସ୍କ ମାଇ ୱାଇଫ୍ ଫର୍ ଦି ଡେସ୍ପାଚ୍ ବକ୍ସ। ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ କୁହ ଡେସ୍ପାଚ୍ ବକ୍ସରେ ଆଣିଦେବେ। ହୁ ସେଡ୍ ଇଟ୍? ଦ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ। ୟୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ସାଇନ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ୱିଟନେସ୍। ଦ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଆସ୍କଡ ରମନ ଟୁ ସାଇନ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଏ ୱିଟନେସ୍। ଜଣେ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହିସାବରେ ସ୍ୱାକ୍ଷର କରିବାକୁ ରମନକୁ କହିଲେ। Yes. Oh, the doctor exclaimed, listening to Gopal's statements. Doctor exclaimed, विस्मित प्रकाश करी कहले, यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग योर सेल्फ टू मच। तमें तुम पर बहुत चाप दौच। इट्स नॉट गुड। It is harmful. It will be harmful for your health. You must be quieter. तमें जिते धीरे रहिब, जिते अधिक धीरे रहिब, it is good. He felt idiotic to be repeating it. ମାନେ ଇଡିଅଟ ହିସାବରେ, ବଦମାସ ହିସାବରେ ସେଇଟା ବାରମ୍ବାର କହି ଚାଲିଲେ। ହାଉ ଫାଇନ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଉଡ୍ ବି, କେତେ ଭଲ ହେବ। ହି ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟେଡ୍, he thought deeply, to drop the whole business and run away somewhere without answering anybody and a question. କାହାକୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନର ଉତ୍ତର ନ ଦେଇକିରି, କାହାକୁ ଆନ୍ସର ନ ଦେଇକିରି କୌଣସି ଏକ ଜାଗାକୁ ପଡ଼େ ଯେଉଁଠିକି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବନି। କେତେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ହେବ ନା। ଦି ପେସେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ଲଚଡ୍ ଦି ଡକ୍ଟର୍ସ ରିଷ୍ଟ। କ୍ଲଚଡ୍ ଜାବୁଡ଼ି ଧରିଲେ। That means ଗୋପାଳ କ୍ଲଚଡ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର ରମନ୍ସ ରିଷ୍ଟ। କଚିଟାକୁ ଜାବୁଡ଼ି ଧରି ପକାଇଲେ with his weak fingers, ଦୁର୍ବଳ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠିରେ। and said, Ramu, Ramu was the nickname of Dr. Raman. Ramu, it is my good fortune that saubhagya, good fortune means saubhagya, that you are here at this moment. ଏଇଟା ମୋର ସୌଭାଗ୍ୟ ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମୟରେ ତୁମେ ଏଠାରେ ଅଛ। ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ୟୁର ୱାର୍ଡ଼, ତୁମର କଥାବୋଧକୁ ମୁଁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିପାରେ। ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ଲିଭ୍ ମାଇ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅନସେଟଲ୍ଡ, ମୋର ଏଇ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିଟାକୁ ଅମୀମାଂସିତ, ଅନସେଟଲ୍ଡ ମିନ୍ସ ୟୁ ନୋ, ଅମୀମାଂସିତ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇ ଚାଲିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ମିନ୍ ଏଣ୍ଡଲେସ୍ ମିଜରି for my wife. ଯଦି if I leave my property unsettled, ଅମୀମାଂସିତ ଭାବେ ମୋ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି, that will mean ଏଇଟାର ଅର୍ଥ ହେବ ଯେ endless misery to my wife and children, ମୋ ପିଲା ଛୁଆମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ଅସୀମ ଦାରୁଣ ଦୁଃଖ ହେଇଯିବ। Who said it? ଗୋପାଳ said, whom? to Raman. You know all about Subhio and his gang. ଆପଣ ସେ ସୁଭ୍ୟ ତାର ଲୋକ ଅନୁଚର ଗ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ ଲିଡର ତାଙ୍କ ଦଳକୁ ତମେ ତ ଜାଣିଛ ନା. ଲେଟ୍ ମି ସାଇନ୍ ବିଫୋର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ଲେଟ୍. ଏହା ବେଶୀ ବିଳମ୍ବ ହେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ମୋତେ ୱିଲ୍ ଇଚ୍ଛାପତ୍ର ସ୍ୱାକ୍ଷର କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Tell me. Could understand? Now let's move to the next page. Yes. Presently, Vartaman replied the doctor. The doctor replied yes. He walked up to his car. से सेटार बाहरी कार पाखु गले. सेट इन द बैक सीट, कार पछ सीट रे बसले. एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड एंड थॉट डीपली फॉर सम मोमेंट. हु? डॉक्टर रमन. ही लुक्ड हिज वॉच. तार वॉच की देखिले इट वाज मिडनाइट. से तोड़ 12टा. इफ दी विल वाज टू बी साइन्ड, जदि इच्छापत्रटी साइन करा जिबार थिला, it must be done within the next 2 hours. এই 2 ঘଣ୍ଟା ଭିତରେ କରାଯିବା ଉଚିତ. और ନେଭର, ନହେଲେ ତ କେବେ ହେଲା ହୋଇପାରିବନି. ବିକାଜ midnight is the deadline for the patient. After midnight, after 2, Gopal may or may not leave. So he could not be responsible for a mess there. एणुकर जो बिगिड़ी जीवार संभावना अच्छी से जमी सी दायी रही. ही न्यू टू वेल दि फैमिली अफेयर्स. तांकर पारिवारिक समस्या भितर सी भल भाव जानी. एंड अबाउट दोज वुल्फ्स मीन्स दि पीपल गैंग ऑफ सुभिया. सुभियार बिलुआ कुकुर दल विषय ही वाज वेल अवेयर ऑफ इट. ता विषय से भल भाव जानी. सुभ्या एंड हिज गैंग. वुल्फ्स मीन्स सुभ्या एंड हिज गैंग. बट व्हाट कुड ही डू? से जे कौन करि पारिथांते? इफ ही आस्क्ड हिम टू साइन द विल, जदि से कहीद नहीं विल साइन कर, इट वुड वर्चुअली मीन ए डेथ सेंटेंस. ये धरा पड़ो जे indirectly it would refer that Gopal was going to die, right? And destroy the thousandth part of a chance that the patient had of survival. How बंची रहिबार 1000 गुणरू गोटे गुणर आशाड़ा को मध्य ध्वंस कला भली हब. इफ the doctor would say to sign the will, it would virtually mean a death sentence and destroy the 1000th part of the chance that the patient had of survival. He got down, car ओह्लेले from the car and went in. घर भितरକୁ बसिले. He resumed his seat in the chair. पुणी चेयर ऊपर बसिले. resume पुणी जारी रखिबा. Here पुणी चेयर ऊपर बसिले. The patient was staring at him appealingly. ସେତେବେଳକୁ ଗୋପାଳ, patient means ଗୋପାଳ was staring, ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି appealingly, ଅତି ଆକୁଳ ନିବେଦନରେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି, ଅନେଇ ରହିଛନ୍ତି. The doctor said to himself. ଡକ୍ଟର ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କହିଲେ, if my word can save his life, ମୋ କଥାଟା ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ ରକ୍ଷା କରିଦେବ, he shall not die. He shall not die. ସେ ମରିବେନି. He will be damned. ନିନ୍ଦିତ ହେବେ. He called, ଡାକିଲେ, ଗୋପାଳ, listen. ଗୋପାଳ ଶୁଣ. This was the first time he was going to do a piece of acting before a patient. ତାଙ୍କ ଜୀବନ କାଳ ମଧ୍ୟରେ गोटे रोगी आगे अभिनय मिथ्या अभिनय कर प्रथम कथा सिमुलेट छलना करवा ए फीलिंग एंड कनसिल हाइड दैट मीन्स लुचेबा इज जजमेंट एटा हूँ गोटे विचार लुचेबा छलना करवा आउ गोटे पेसेंट आगे मिथ्या अभिनय करा प्रथम तांको जीवन प्रथम दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम ही वाज गॉन टू डू ए पीस ऑफ एक्टिंग बिफोर ए पेसेंट सिमुलेट छलना करवा ए फीलिंग एंड कनसिल इज जजमेंट ही स्टॉप्ड ओवर द पेसेंट बाय रटी गले एंड सेड विथ डेलिवरेट एम्फासिस जोर देकर खूब जोर देकर एम्फासिस में ये गुरुत्व देवा जोर दे कहवा जानी डेलिवरेट जानी शुणी कहले डोंट वरी अबाउट द विल नाउ से इच्छा पत्र विषय ए चिंता करना यू आर गोइंग टू लिव तमें बंचब यू वोंट डाई तो मरबनी योर हार्ट इज एब्सोल्यूटली साउंड तमर हृत स्पंदन हृत्पिंडर अवस्था खूब भल अच्छी सुस्थ अच्छी ए न्यू ग्लो सफ्यूज्ड द पेसेंट फेस गोटे नूतन उज्ज्वल आलोक रोगीर मुहर खेलीगला लिसनिंग टू दिज वर्ड्स यही कथा कई पदक शुणी एज ही हियर्ड इट राइट ही आस्क्ड इन ए टोन ऑफ रिलीफ गोटे आश्वस्तर स्वर रे पचारे गोपाल आस्क्ड इन ए टोन ऑफ रिलीफ डू यू से सो तमें एमती कौच शैल आई लिव शैल नॉट आई डाई इफ इट कम्स फ्रॉम योर लिप्स तम ओठर जदि यह भासी आसुची इट मस्ट बी ट्रू निश्चित भाव सत कथा हु सेड इट गोपाल सेड इट राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज व्हाट इज देयर यस लेट्स सी व्हाट Raman said the doctor said quite right you are quite right संपूर्ण ठीक कह यू आर इम्प्रूविंग एवरी सेकेंड प्रति सेकेंड रे तमर प्रगति चली स्वास्थ्य अवस्था उन्नति चली स्लीप इन पीस शांति शुआ यू मस्ट नॉट एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ ऑन एनी अकाउंट कौन सी प्रकार तमें तुम उपर प्रेसर दियोनी डोंट गिव प्रेसर और डोंट टेक प्रेसर ऑन एनी अकाउंट यू मस्ट स्लीप वेरी साउंडली तमें पूरा निगड़ निदरे सोई जाओ आई विल सी यू इन द मॉर्निंग तुमको सकाल देखा करी हु सेड इट डॉक्टर रमन सेड इट द पेशेंट लुक्ड एट हिम ग्रेटफुली कृतज्ञार सहित अनै रही निरेखी रही फॉर ए मोमेंट किसी क्षण पाई एंड देन क्लोज्ड हिज आईज आखि बंद करदे द डॉक्टर पिक्ड अप हिज बैग तांकर बैग नेले एंड वेंट आउट शटिंग द डोर सफ्टली बिहाइंड हिम तांकर कबाट धड़किना पकईदे सफ्टली नट धड़किना धीरे कबाटा को बंद करदे से डॉक्टर चलीगले टुडे we discussed some questions and answers and discussed some words and some of the paragraphs of the prose plus to second year English prose the doctor's word. We will have more discussion in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.